उसने सारे सेब खा लिए। He ate all the apples. He ate all the apples. मैं कल जल्दी घर आ गया था। I came home early yesterday. I came home early yesterday. मैंने उसे कल देखा था। I saw her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, आपने मुझे जगा दिया। You woke me up. You woke me up. वह 10 बजे चला गया था। He left at 10 a.m. He left at 10 a.m. उसकी पिछले महीने शादी हो गई। She got married last week. She got married last week. रोहन सीढ़ियों से गिर गया। रोहन fell off the stairs. रोहन fell off the stairs. मेरा पर्स घर रह गया। I left my purse at home. I left my purse at home. उसकी कार चोरी हो गई। His car got stolen. His car got stolen. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला। She told me a lie. She told me a lie. मैंने अखबार पढ़ लिया। I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. वह कल मेरे पास आया था। He came to me yesterday. He came to me yesterday. वह हमारे घर के पास रहती थी। She lived near our house. She lived near our house. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, मैं उसे नहीं जानता था। I did not know him. I did not know him. या फिर did not की जगह हम I didn't know him का भी यूज करते हैं। मैं उसकी पार्टी में नहीं गया। I didn't go to her party. I didn't go to her party. क्या उसने कुछ बताया? Did he tell anything? Did he tell anything? तुम गोवा क्यों गए थे? Why did you go to Goa? Why did you go to Goa? उसने मेरी बहुत तारीफ क्यों की? Why did he praise me to the sky? Why did he praise me to the sky? तुम अपने वादे से क्यों मुकर गए? Why did you go back on your words? Why did you go back on your words? अगला सेंटेंस है, तुम भिखारी पर क्यों हंसे थे? Why did you laugh at beggar? Why did you laugh at beggar? आप मुंबई से कब आए? When did you return from Mumbai? When did you return from Mumbai? Next, तुम इतनी जल्दी वापस क्यों आ गए? Why did you come back soon? Why did you come back soon? Next sentence है, उसने एक पत्र लिखा। He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. वह सुबह जल्दी उठ गई। She woke up early in the morning. She woke up early in the morning. सुनीता खेल नहीं खेली। सुनीता didn't play sports. सुनीता didn't play sports. राघव ने बिल का भुगतान नकद में किया। राघव paid the bills in cash. राघव paid the bill in cash. उसने मुझे कल एक किताब दी। He gave me a book yesterday. He gave me a book yesterday. उन्होंने अपना कार्य पूरा नहीं किया। He didn't complete his assignments. He didn't complete his assignments. वह यहाँ कल आया था। He came here yesterday. He came here yesterday. मुझे तुम्हारा मैसेज पिछले हफ्ते मिला था। I received your message last week. I received your message last week. उसने पिछले साल स्कूल छोड़ दिया। She left school last year. She left school last year. उसने कल एक गाय खरीदी। He bought a new cow. He bought a new cow. मैंने पिछले सप्ताह आपको एक पत्र भेजा. I sent you a letter last week. I sent you a letter last week. इस लड़के ने कमरे की सफाई की. This boy cleaned the room. This boy cleaned the room. हमने शाम को मैच जीता. We won the match in the evening. We won the match in the evening. उन्होंने इस समस्या का समाधान किया. They solved this problem. They solved this problem. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, उसने कल तुम्हें 2 पेंसिल दी थी. He gave you 2 pencils yesterday. He gave you 2 pencils yesterday. ये लड़के अपने खिलौने से खेले. These boys played with their toys. These boys played with their toys.